to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and well, I'm finally going to be unboxing these Walmart beauty boxes, and I'm also going to be showing you guys something that I got from BzzAgent. I still haven't opened it, so yeah. So I'm gonna start with a BzzAgent one first. And if you guys don't know what BzzAgent is, it's a company that sends out free products for you to review. It's completely free. So if you guys want to sign up, I will have the link down below. So let's open this up. Okay, so it comes with a card as usual. And then here is the product. They sent me the Kiehl's Personals Over and Under Cream to Powder Deodorant. So this is going to be super interesting. I've never tried a cream to powder deodorant. I can't wait to try this out. I already have deodorant on today, obviously. So I'm going to try this out tomorrow morning and see how it goes. It says demonstrated to help neutralize odor, soothe discomfort in underarm, pubic, and sensitive area. Okay, so I guess you could put it everywhere. It says formulated for everywhere, even down there. Our deodorant with a gentle acid blend helps counteract and neutralize odor. With a lightweight, silky texture, our creamy formula transforms into a smooth powder finish, minimizing feelings of discomfort caused by friction. Lightly scented, our formula is suitable for all skin tones and sensitive areas, including underarms, chest, and pubic area. Interesting. Let me know if you guys have tried this out before and what do you guys think. I'm going to open it to see. Okay, so it's like I guess you squeeze it and then, oh yeah, it comes out, you see it? There you go. I'm going to put some on my hand to see what it looks like. Okay, so there it is. Let me rub it in. The directions are in the back, but they're super duper small. I can't even read it. So I'm just going to rub it in and see how it turns into powder. Okay, it's starting to feel like actual deodorant now. It has like a weird smell. I mean, not weird, but I don't know. I guess it just smells like nothing. It blends into the skin really good, and it didn't really convert into powder or anything. It's not powdery or anything. So that's interesting. So I'm excited to try out this Kiehl's deodorant, the cream to powder deodorant. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, now I'm going to be unboxing the beauty box. I have the winter 2023 and fall 2023, so I'm going to open the fall 2023 first. Okay, so this is the fall one. It's almost fall, so I'm probably going to be getting that one, or I don't know. I think they send out the fall box until October. Okay, anyway, so it comes with a card and the possible products that I received. Okay, oh, this is nice. So this is the items that they sent me. So I'm going to start off with these eyelashes. Impress Press-On Falsies. Just press and go. Pre-bond technology, no glue needed. Okay, so if you guys know me, you guys know I don't use fake eyelashes or anything like this, so I will be putting this in a future giveaway. These retail for $14.97, the full size, and well, this is a little sample size. The full size comes with 20 and this one only comes with 8. So yeah, I'm going to be putting this in a future giveaway. I'm thinking of doing a Halloween giveaway or something like that. Let me know if you guys would like that. Okay, the next product that I got, it is a daily facial cleanser. It's this little one right here by Cetaphil. I've already used this product before and I really liked it. The full size product retails for $11.97, And well, obviously I got the little sample size. Okay, and then it looks like I got a full-size product here. It is a Make It Rain, a hydration rich conditioner. Cool. So I got a conditioner, and this is a Hydrate Smooth Detangle for all hair types. I gotta sneeze. Alright, so anyways, this is a No Umbrella Needed. Make It Rain comes stacked full of botanical rich ingredients, showering your hair with moisture for irresistibly healthy looking hair. This hydrating and strengthening conditioner helps smooth, detangle, and nourish hair. A must-have for your product stash. So I never tried out this brand before, so I'm excited to try it out. Okay, actually I did not get a full-size product. The full-size product is between 8.4 ounces and 12.0 ounces, and the full-size retails between $7.84 to $13.97. And well, I got the 3 fluid ounce conditioner, so this is just a little sample, which is still pretty cool because it's pretty big, so I'm excited for that. Okay, now the next thing that I got, it is a headband. This one right here by Heritage by Mindy McKnight. So that's pretty cute. Look at it. I really like this. It's super adorable, and obviously this is like fall type of headband, so I'm really excited. I know I hardly wear anything on my hair, but I think I would actually wear this. This is really cute. I like it. If I don't wear it, I might just put in a giveaway for Halloween or something, but we will see. This is super duper cute, and it's super soft. I really like it. Okay, so this one is not on the card, on this little pamphlet here, and it says, "Don't see your product here. Your box may include an extra surprise we thought you'd love." So I guess this is the surprise, so that's pretty cool. Okay, I did get another thing here. This is the Thayer's Soak It Up 80-Hour Liquid Moisturizer. It says it penetrates 5 surface layers, barely there feel. This one right here. I always see this brand when I go shopping, but I never really picked it up, so I'm excited that I get to try this out. It says Snow Mushroom Hyaluronic Acid Shea Butter, normal to dry skin. So I'm probably just going to try this on my legs or something. I don't know. I'm kind of scared to put stuff like this, or like to put new things on my face. And it doesn't really say anything if it's for face or what. It just says squeeze a small amount and massage into clean skin until evenly absorbed. This one retails for $19.97 for the 2.5 ounces, and I got the 1 fluid ounces, so this is just a little sample here. Okay, now the last thing that I got, oh actually I got 2 more things. Okay, so I did get another thing right here. This is a CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare Color Correcting Serum. So that's pretty cool. I guess it removes redness. It says redness neutralizer, total brightener, dullness reducer, dark spot neutralizer. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what it is. Just a little sample here. Oh, so it comes with 4. And so I guess each one does what it says. Obviously, color correcting. Oh wait, there will say color correcting. So this one is a redness neutralizer. This is a total brightener. I haven't used any primer since like April. I just put on my moisturizer, then sunscreen, and then after that I just slap on all of my makeup. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to try these, see if it looks good with my makeup. Okay, this one is not on here either, so I guess this is just another surprise. Okay, and the last thing that I got is this gem face mask. This one right here. Super cool. So it's like perfect for Halloween. But I think I have another one of these, so I might put this in a giveaway as well if I have one. Okay, this one isn't on here either, so this is another surprise, I guess. So anyways, that was everything for the fall beauty box, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. So that was pretty cool. They were pretty decent. Okay, now on to the Walmart beauty box for winter 2023. Ta-da! So as usual, it comes with a little card here. Here's everything. This one looks like it has less products. Okay, so the first thing here, it is by Garnier Skin Active. This is
the micellar cleansing water. Micellar.
I have this little cleansing water here, and I think it's spilled. The bottle looks a little empty, but that's okay. I've tried this type of cleansing water before, and I didn't really like it. I feel like it was hard to remove my mascara, so I guess I could just use it for my face, like to remove the foundation and stuff. Anyways, this is it right here. As you can tell, it did open up, and this one retails for $8.97, the full size, and this is just 1.5 fluid ounces. The full size is 13.5 ounces. Okay, now the next product that I got is a Butter Glow Physicians Formula liquid highlighter. So this is it right here. Super cute little packaging. The full size retails for $13.48, and the full size is 1.3 ounces. This is only, doesn't say in the box, so I'm going to open it up to show you guys. They sent me the Muru Muru Butter Liquid Highlighter. I guess that's the color, Muru Muru Butter. And this one is only 0.2 fluid ounces. So yeah, super cute. I was thinking of putting this in a giveaway, but I'm not sure. Probably not. I'll just try it out. It looks like it would be a nice color. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to put it on top of my deodorant here. Okay, I'm going to rub it in. Ta-da! Super pretty. And I like that it's pretty subtle, so I'm definitely going to be using this. So far, so good. Let's see the next product here. It is Bright Pen Whitens Without the Sensitivity. Okay, for a second I thought it was something else. I'm like, I don't want to show you guys. But anyways, I got this Bright Pen Dual Action Stain Repellent Teeth Whitening. Whitens Without the Sensitivity. So that's pretty cool. I never used anything like this. I usually use the strips. So this is going to be interesting. This is what it looks like. Have you guys used this before? What do you guys think? Do you prefer this over the strips? So this is what it looks like. It has like a little brush on the tip. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, so you do twist the bottom part to get product out. I'm not gonna do it right now, and I don't know if I want to show you guys putting this on my teeth. I feel like it's weird showing you guys just my teeth for a video. Look at my teeth now. I might try it on later today and see if it works, and just let me know if my teeth look whiter in my next video. Alright, so this Luminex Bright to Pen Dual Action Stain Repellent Whitening Pen retails for $19.98, and the full size. Okay, so I guess, yeah, this is the full size. Oh, and it comes with 10 to 12 applications. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited for this. Let's see if it actually works and it doesn't make my teeth super sensitive. Okay, now the next product here, it is a Aveeno Daily Moisturizer Body Lotion. This one right here. I love Aveeno products, so I know I'm going to like this. Aveeno products smell so good. I love it. So yeah, I'm excited to use this. The full size retails for $17.06, and it is 33.0 ounces, and this is only 1 fluid ounce. Okay, now the last product. Okay, I'm excited for this one. This is a Wet n Wild blush, and I don't have this one, so I'm super excited, and it is a very pretty color. This is the shade Bed of Roses. I removed the sticker. It looks kind of nasty now. Okay, it doesn't smell like anything, and here I'm going to swatch it on my hand. It feels really nice, like super soft. You can't even see it. It's like the same color as my hand, my fingers. Oh, there you go. So that's the blush right there. And it looks a little too bright actually. Okay, so you can't really see it. So this is actually pretty good because I could build it up to the color or the intensity that I want. So yeah, I'm really happy that I got this. Really nice. And let's see, this Wet n Wild blush is not in here actually. So this is an extra surprise. So that's pretty cool. I'm really happy with everything that I got. Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. So in the winter beauty box, I did get 5 products and I got 7 products in the fall box. I feel like this one was a little bit better, but I did really like these products that I got right here. So yeah, anyways, that's all of the little unboxings that I was gonna show you right now. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products, or also let me know if you guys get these beauty boxes from Walmart. So anyways, that is all for today. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.